Hello guys, Runtime here. I've decided to cancel Nuclear Zero Hour because I wanted to retire, or did I say I wanted to retire? I already retired from the EAS community in voice acting because all of those unnecessary drama that's spreading negativity around the EAS community server. And I don't want to get in the crossfire nor jeopardize my life and channel, so that's why I decided to step away. I'll be shifting to new content and possibly SCP. I might as well be joining that EAS scenario guy on a completely different route, and of course, Alexander too. Well, this may look like a poor decision, but it's difficult. I need to choose it. I want everyone to be chill. I wanted everyone to, achieve peace. Not just fight around like red ants facing black ants because someone just shook the jar or something. Like, please. Like, to whoever watching this video, and if it's possibly a EAS community server member, get a grip of yourself. There's no need to escalate or bring up anything that's worse, like drama. That's all I would say, guys. To summarize it, I'm shifting into something better and something that would fit me well. Possibly that's something that would align with my childhood or nostalgia. Also, thank you all for your support throughout my journey. I've appreciated every kind word, every collaboration, everything that shaped me to my new self. Also, I would like to forgive those people who framed me in past dramas or something, you know. Also, see you guys in the next video. Possibly soon. Sooner. Goodbye.